In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a drawing to a PDF. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, having a PDF version of your drawing can be crucial for easy sharing and viewing. Let's dive right into the process to ensure you have everything you need, step by step. First things first, the journey begins with opening your drawing. This is your canvas, filled with all the details you've painstakingly worked on. Ensure that your work is saved and that you are looking at a drawing ready to transition into a PDF format. Once the drawing is open, you'll want to move on to the next phase, setting your layout. This step is crucial because it determines what part of your drawing will be included in the PDF. You're going to set one of the layouts as current, which means selecting the specific layout view you want to see in the final PDF. This ensures that the exact portion of your drawing that you want to share or review is the one that's exported. Now, with your layout chosen, it's time to focus on the navigation within the software. You'll look for the Output tab. It's located at the top of your screen and is your gateway to all export options. Once there, direct your attention to the Export to DWG PDF panel. This panel is your tool for transforming your drawing into a format that can be easily shared. You'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Export. It's here where you'll select the PDF option. This tells the software that the document you wish to create is a PDF. Keep in mind there's an alternative route if you prefer using command prompts. You can simply type Export PDF into the command prompt if you're more comfortable with keyboard shortcuts, or need a quick method to access the export function. Both methods will get you to the same place, so choose the one that fits with your work style. Now we approach the point of decision. Choosing the folder where your PDF will be saved. This is important for ensuring you can easily locate your PDF later. Browse through your directories and select the appropriate folder where you want your file to reside. With the location settled, it's time to give your PDF a name. The file name is your identifier and should reflect the content or project name for easy recognition when you're looking through your files. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the name and location, you'll finalize the process by clicking Save. This will initiate the creation of your PDF. Within moments, your PDF will be completed and ready for distribution, review, or just saving for your records. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully exported your drawing as a PDF. This process is designed to be straightforward while ensuring all essential aspects of your work are captured effectively. Thanks for following along, and happy exporting.